Acne, or acne vulgaris, is a chronic inflammatory disease of the pilus sebaceous that starts when oil and dead skin cells clog up your pores. Inflammation leads to papules, pustules and nodules. Acne occurs most commonly during adolescence and often continues into adulthood. Acne vulgaris includes whiteheads, blackheads, and red, inflamed patches of skin, such as cysts. Acne vulgaris symptoms. Acne commonly appears on the face and shoulders, but it may also occur on the trunk, arms, legs, and buttocks. The symptoms include blackheads, crusting of skin bumps, cysts, papules, smaller bumps, pustules, redness around the skin, eruptions, scarring of the skin, whiteheads. Acne vulgaris treatment. Self-care, by cleaning your skin gently with a mild, undying soap, such as Dove, Neutrogena, Smithfill, Cheride, or Basics. Remove all dirt or makeup. Wash once or twice a day, including after exercising. However, avoid scrubbing or repeated skin washing. Shampoo your hair daily, especially if it is oily. Comb or pull your hair back to keep the hair out of your face. Try not to squeeze, scratch, pick, or rub the pimples. Avoid wearing tight headbands, baseball caps, and other hats, and do not use greasy cosmetics or creams. If you did not get relief, then try acne medications, and apply the products directly to your skin, which may contain benzoyl peroxide, sulfur, resorcinol, or salicylic acid, that work by killing bacteria, drying up skin oils, or causing the top layer of your skin to peel. Acne vulgaris is a common disease, yet every individual needs unique treatment and care. We encourage people with acne vulgaris and their families to learn as much as possible about the latest medical treatment and approaches, as well as healthy lifestyle choices. For more information about acne vulgaris and how to treat acne vulgaris, just click on the link at description or visit www.mainmd.com. Thank you.